second. It is 70 degrees in my house with the windows open, and it's time for a reality check. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizabeth, and I am living in the light by documenting my weight loss journey using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. As part of my transformation, I am making videos where I'm sharing recipes, where I'm sharing tips and tricks for the program or any weight loss program, but I also record a reality check pretty much every week, letting you know how I did as far as weight loss and inches go, as well as what I'm learning. Before I share this week's progress with you though, please would you just take a second to scroll down, hit the subscribe button, and also give me a thumbs up. That really helps me. Both of those things are really just encouragement to me. My love language is words of affirmation, and so having someone give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, that just is the encouragement that I need to keep going from week to week and improving my health each week as I go through this process. The last 6 months have been quite a ride. I can't believe that I am where I am, that I've done as well as I have done, and that I made it through the holidays completely unscathed. Don't know how I did that, but to see how I did this week, check this out. Somehow in the last 7 days, I lost another 2.8 pounds. I'm pretty much averaging 2.5 pounds a week. So this was a really good week and a holiday week. And over the last 2 weeks, because I didn't take measurements last week, I lost another 2 inches. So I've lost a total of 78 pounds and 37 inches since I started this program back on the 20th of June, 2022. I was having a conversation with my coach this morning, and I would definitely encourage you, make sure you've got a good coach. Make sure that you have someone that you can check in with each week, that you can share progress pictures, your measurements, your weight loss each week, that you can get some encouragement from, that you can get some strategies if you're struggling with something. A coach is 100% important on this journey. And we chit chat every week. And my favorite thing to do is just to get on my soapbox and share with her why I think this program is working so well for me. One of the things that I told her this morning was that I truly believe that this program will work if you follow the program 100% of the time exactly the way the program is prescribed. Yes, we are all unique individuals. Yes, our bodies respond to things differently. Some fuelings your body may not work well with. Some people have to be careful with the soy or the gluten or dairy products, things like that. So of course, those are things that some individuals may need to be more careful about than others. But if you make your fuelings with water and not other things, if you don't add things to your fuelings, if you drink at least 64 ounces of water each day, if you weigh and measure your lean and green meals and follow those and don't have more than 3 condiments, you have the right amount of fat in your diet based on the amount of lean, this program will work. Time and time again, I see people say, well, it didn't work for me. And my question is, did you follow it 100% of the time? Did you make your fuelings only with water, or did you add condiments to them to make them more palatable? And I've talked about that in the past. Those foods that we used to eat are the foods that got us where we are now. And they probably, if we're only trying to make the fuelings taste like our old food, we're going to continue to struggle. I believe that my success, the ability to have lost 78 pounds so far on this program, has to do with the way that I follow it. I am a rule follower. So if you tell me I have to do something a certain way, that's exactly how I'm going to do it. So I think between me following the program exactly as it is written, drinking a gallon of water. So they say 64 ounces. I actually double that. So I drink a gallon of water a day, talking to my coach on a weekly basis, and having that mindset that this is what I need to be doing right now to lose the weight. This is just a season. I'm not going to eat this way for the rest of my life. But in order for me to get the weight off and to get my body to a healthy place, this is what I need to be doing. Let's talk about the holidays just for a second. To be completely honest, the holidays were hard. I experienced some real sorrow at Christmas time when I couldn't have some of the foods that I'm so used to having during the holiday time period. So I really was sad that I was missing out on those things. But I am stronger than that. I am worth more than those sweets or those flavors that I'm used to having at the holiday time. I am worth more than that. And getting to a healthy weight is so unbelievably important to me that I am willing to say no for now and to push towards a healthier me. So snack foods, sweets, those kinds of things, they are just not in my wheelhouse right now. I cannot have them. And I just have been able to wrap my mind around the fact that that food is not for me. And until I get to a healthier me, and maybe even after I get to a healthier me, I just cannot have those things. So now I push on to goal number 4, which is another 25 pounds by the 1st of April, April Fool's Day. And that will put me 2/3 of the way toward my goal of losing 150 pounds. I am doing it. You can do it. And I want to be here to support and encourage you along the way. So please just reach out to me. Let me know how I can encourage you and support you on your journey. I'd love to chat with you or send some emails back and forth. But I would be happy to kind of partner with you and be your support system along the way. I am a coach. I'm not looking for clients. I don't have any, and honestly, I don't want any. I just want to be there to support other people along the way and provide them with good, solid information to be successful on this program. So, until I see you next time, please live in the light.